In an enchanted forest, where every tree whispered secrets, lived a humble beaver named Benny. Benny was unlike any other beaver, for he was not content with building just any burrow. He dreamt of a grand burrow, a marvel to behold, a symbol of strength and resilience. One day, Benny set out on his quest to build the finest burrow ever. He searched high and low, gathering materials with determination. The other forest animals admired his ambition but couldn't help but worry about his single-minded focus. As Benny worked tirelessly, he encountered a wise old owl who asked, "Why do you strive so hard, young beaver? Is it not enough to build a home that keeps you warm and safe?" Benny, however, was not deterred. He responded, "My burrow shall not just be a home, it shall be a testament to my resilience, a symbol for all to see. It is not just about survival, it is about leaving a legacy." The wise owl sighed and said, "But beware, young one. Obsession can cloud your judgment. Remember, a true masterpiece is not just about size, but about the harmony between strength and beauty." Benny took the owl's words to heart. He returned to his burrow, not letting the owl's wisdom discourage him, but letting it guide him. He worked with renewed vigor, blending his strength with a touch of grace. Finally, the day came when Benny's burrow was complete. It was a sight to behold, not just grand in size, but harmonious in design. It was a testament to Benny's resilience and a symbol of his wisdom. From that day forward, the enchanted forest was filled with a newfound respect for Benny. His burrow stood as a reminder that ambition, when paired with wisdom, can create a masterpiece. And Benny, he lived happily in his grand burrow, his dream fulfilled, his legacy secured.